Hundreds of thousands of visitors, dozens of venues, and a city on the world stage. When the FIFA World Cup comes to Toronto, what feels effortless to fans is powered by something critical to every major event: the people who plan it. A coordinated network of event professionals who design the experience and make a moment of this scale possible. Today, I'm meeting two Humber Polytechnic students, event professionals who are shaping how Toronto will be remembered by visitors from across the globe. So you're studying event management at Humber. When you hear the FIFA World Cup's coming to Toronto, what goes through your mind?
I think about how much planning is invisible to the fan. You walk into the fan zone and everything feels effortless. The food, the layout, the signage, the stages, but behind every one of those details is a team that's designed it, coordinated it, and stress tested it months in advance.
What does that coordination actually look like at scale?
You work with sponsors, vendors, municipal partners, security, volunteers, all at the same time. In our program, we learn how to manage all of those relationships, and we plan and execute real-world events as part of our coursework. So by the time you get to your placement, you've already done it.
Events of this scale, they bring together a lot of brands and companies, like Humber. And you, as an event management professional, you work with sponsors and partners, right?
Absolutely. Sponsorships can range from a logo on a team uniform, venue names, ads in stadiums, and more. Sponsorships and partnerships make events on a large scale possible.
And tell me about the pressure of doing all of this for the World Cup when you're presenting Toronto to the world.
That's what makes it so exciting. An event at this level isn't just about logistics. It's about how the city presents itself. Every entry point, every fan zone, every interaction is part of the impression that Toronto makes on the world. That's what we train for, performing under pressure and making it seamless.
And what's the Humber connection? How does this program prepare you for that level?
Humber is built on hands-on learning. We plan real events, manage real budgets, and complete an industry placement. Humber's network in this space is deep, with hundreds of industry partners. So you're not just learning the theory, you're making connections that will launch your career.
So whenever a visitor attends a major sporting event, whether that's a fan zone, a public viewing event, or even an activation, there's an event management professional shaping that journey?
Every step of the way.
The World Cup requires a lot of planning. Behind every seamless fan zone, every welcoming venue, and every fan who has an unforgettable experience, there's a team of event management professionals who made the experience effortless. They designed it, coordinated, and made another incredible fan experience. I'm Fernando, and this is the Polytechnics of Soccer.